Hello, my name is Anya, and today we will learn how to filter a set of products by tags. The first thing we are going to do is set up the database. We are going to make a thing of type product, and that product is going to have a name as a text field. We are also going to set up tags as an option set. This just means that there's a predetermined list of tags that can only be altered directly from the bubble editor. Here I'm adding 3 tags: entertainment, platform development, and medical. To connect this to the products, we just need to create a field tags, which is just going to be a list of tags. Now I'm going to go in and just manually add some data. To start, let's give it a name, bubble.io, and some tags. Well, Bubble's associated with platform development, and just for the sake of testing, let's say entertainment as well. I just went ahead and added a couple more products to our database, which is what you see here. Now we can set up a repeating group to display these products. Given that it's displaying information about products, the type of content is going to be product, and our data source is just going to be a search for all of the products in our database. I want to be able to show each product's name, so I'm just going to add a text field, which is going to display the current cell's product's name. Within each cell, let's set up a repeating group that will show this product's tags. We want to see the information displayed in columns, not rows, so let's go ahead and fix that right now by setting a fixed number of 3 columns. We only want to see the tags associated with this particular product, so we are going to make our data source current cell's products tags. Tags. We want to see the names of the tags, so within this repeating group, we're just going to add a text box, which is going to display the current cell's tags display, which is just a fancy word for the name of an option set. Now, if we preview this, we can see that we're seeing the name and the tags of the products, but we are only seeing the information of 4 products. If we check back, we can see it's because we accidentally set the repeating group to be a fixed number of rows. If we just uncheck that box and preview it again, we can see that everything works as expected. I'm just going to move it so we can see things a little more clearly. Now, we want users to be able to choose as many tags as they want from a set list of tags, but none of the input forms here would give us the functionality that we want. So, what we're going to do is we are going to install the multi-select dropdown by Bubble. This is completely free and only takes 1 click to install. We want this preloaded with all of the tags in the database, so we are going to choose Dynamic Options, Tag, All Tags, and the caption is going to be the current options display, which is its name. When we preview this, we see that the multi-dropdown works as expected. You can add tags and remove them, but it isn't affecting the repeating group because we haven't established a connection between them yet. If we alter our search for products in the repeating group to make sure that at least one of the tags associated with the product is also chosen in the multi-select dropdown, we find that there isn't really a good way to do this. So we are going to filter our search for products. At first glance, it seems like it's the same thing, but it's not, because we are going to use advanced filters to extract the tags that are the intersection between this product's tags and multi-dropdown A's values. We are going to count up these tags, and if their count is greater than 0, ergo there's some intersection between the 2 lists, we display the product in question. In the preview, we see that if we select tags, the correct products are showing up, products that have at least one of the tags in question. But when there aren't any tags selected, the intersection between the 2 lists is 0, so no products are displayed. Let's fix this. We want to check if there is any intersection, or if there even are any values in multi-dropdown A to begin with. So we check if multi-dropdown A's values, count, is equal to 0, and if it is, we show the product in question. If we preview this, we see that we were able to properly filter by tag.